Hi everyone, I am Professor Shalini. Let me start with new concept of EMQC, that is TPM. What is TPM? TPM is productive maintenance implemented by all employees in an organization. We can consider TPM as medical science of machines. TPM means total productive maintenance. It's a maintenance program which involves a newly defined concept for maintaining the plants and equipment, for maintaining plants or equipment. The major goal of this TPM program is to increase production while at same time increasing employee morale and obtaining customer satisfaction. As we all know, customer satisfaction plays an important role or is a major goal of any organization or industry. TPM involves everyone in the organization from operators to senior manager in equipment improvement. For improving the equipment, it involves all management team starting from higher authority to working staff. Okay, we will see TPM in three words. T means total. It involves all levels of management in an organization. Productive means the product which is outcome of our industry must satisfy the customers. Okay, customers expectations must be satisfied by our product. And maintenance, what is maintenance? Keeping equipment in or plant in an good and clean condition. Thus, we can say that TPM brings maintenance into focus as a necessity and plays vital role in business administration. Okay, it is no longer regarded as non-profit activities, not designed only for obtaining profit. Okay. History. This is an initially Japanese concept which was organized by Toyota Production System in 1951. Okay. Then what are goals of TPM? The major goal of TPM, we can say, reducing our economical crisis. As we keep environment clean, there will be continuous improvement of an industry. Production quality also increases due to TPM. Entire team, the employees work as a single team for obtaining the objective. Okay, then why we use TPM? TPM was introduced to achieve some goals. Which are that goals? Avoid wastage in quickly changing economical environment. In this economical environment, we want to avoid wastage. Okay, again we can say that reducing cost or goods sent to customer must not be defective, that is removing defects, or we can say that forwarding zero defect. Okay, producing low batch quantity as early as possible. Okay, again we can also say that major goal of TPM is producing goods without reducing its quality, producing goods as customers requirement without decreasing the quality of goods. Okay, now we will see next. That are principles of TPM. Okay, what are principles of TPM? Use overall equipment efficiency as compass for success. What is OEE? Overall equipment effectiveness, or we can say that overall equipment efficiency is also OEE. What OEE is generally given by A into P into Q, where A is availability of machine, whether the machine is available or not. Availability is proportion of time machine and is actually available. Out of time it should be available. Okay, improving existing plant maintenance system, again work towards zero losses, providing training to upgrade operations and maintenance skills, and involve everyone in utilizing cross functional teamwork. Next, we will see type of maintenance. Number one, breakdown maintenance. What is breakdown maintenance? It means that people waits until equipment fails or repairs it. This should not be thing to be done. Such a thing could be used when the equipment failure does not significantly affect the operation or our production or generate any significant loss other than repair cost. Okay. Next one is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance are of two types, that is periodic maintenance or predictive maintenance. What is preventive maintenance? It is daily maintenance such as cleaning, inspection, oiling and retightening, or designed to retain the healthy condition of equipment. Okay, this is to prevent failure through prevention of deterioration, periodic inspection or equipment condition diagnosis. Okay, what is periodic maintenance? Means doing maintenance after intervals of time, that is time based maintenance. It can also be said as time based maintenance. It consists of periodically inspecting, servicing and cleaning our equipments and replacing parts to prevent sudden failure or process problems. Okay, what is next one? Corrective maintenance. As name suggests, it is nothing but it improves equipment and its component. So that preventive maintenance can be carried out liably. Okay, equipment with design weakness must be redesigned to improve liability or improving maintainability. Okay, and last is maintenance prevention. It indicates that design a new equipment. Okay, weakness of current machines are sufficiently studied to prevent failure. Okay, easy maintenance and prevents of defect. Okay, now we will see different pillars of TPM. Among that pillars, first one is autonomous maintenance. We have to train the operators so that there is no difference between them and staff. This gap must be filled so that both the staff member, the maintenance staff and the operators operates as a one team. This change the equipment so the operator can identify any abnormal conditions and measure before it affects the process or which leads to defect. Okay, next pillar is plan maintenance. It is aimed to have trouble free machines and equipment, thus producing defect free products so that zero defect can be obtained. Okay, this plan maintenance is further divided into four groups, which are they: preventive maintenance, breakdown maintenance, corrective maintenance and maintenance prevention. Okay, natural life cycle of an individual machine elements must be achieved. What is main target of this plant maintenance? It is zero equipment failure or breakdown. It is reducing cost of maintenance or improving liability or machinability or ensuring availability of spare of all times. Okay, next one is process quality maintenance. It is aimed towards customer delight through high quality through defect free manufacturing. What is focus of this quality maintenance? Its focus is for eliminating defects, okay, or achieving high degree of excellence or setting and maintaining conditions to complete zero definition. Okay, what is this target of process quality maintenance? It is reduce cost of quality or reducing in process defects or achieving and sustaining customer complaints at zero. Next one is education and training. The main aim of education and training is to have multi-skilled employees whose morale is high and who has eager to come to work and perform all required functions. Okay, TPM is continuous learning process. Two main components are soft skill training or technical training. As we all know, education is given to operators to upgrade their skills or their knowledge. It is not sufficient only know how by them, should also learn know why. Only how it work is not only thing to be needed, how it work is also needed. So main target or aim of education training is to for 100% participation of worker in training program, or achieving downtime due to want men at zero or critical machines, okay, or 100% satisfaction of customers, or 100% participation in suggestion schemes. Next pillar is safety and environmental management. And as we all know, safety plays an important role. The main target of this safety and environmental management pillar is for zero accident in industry, or zero health defect to any of worker or staff, or zero fire accident in an organization, okay. As assuming safety and preventing adverse environmental impacts are important priority in TPM effort. In this area, we can say that focus is on creating a safe workplace environment in our industries or a surrounding area that is not damaged by our process or procedures which we follow. In short, this pillar plays important role among all other 7 pillars. A committee is formed so that which has representatives of officers as well as workers, and this committee is headed by senior vice principal, okay. And utmost importance to safety is given in plant, okay, and plant manager is looking after the functions related to safety to create awareness among workers or employees. Various competitions are organized in an organization, such as safety slogan, quits, dramas, posters, etc. These all are related. The safety should be organized in an industry from time interval, okay. Concluding to TPM, what we can say that in today's competitive world, in an industry when there is high time, TPM must be only thing that stands between success and total failure for some companies, okay. It has also been proven to be a program that works, okay. TPM may be only thing that stands between success and total failure for some industries, okay. It can be adopted to work only in industrial plants, but in constructing, building and maintenance, transportation, etc. In short, we can say that employees must be educated and they must convey that TPM is not only just program of month, but this management is totally committed to the program throughout the year, okay.